guys! Welcome back to my channel! It's me again, Chrisberleen. If you are new here, welcome! Today I'm gonna be unboxing this rolling backpack. It's a travel backpack with wheels. We're gonna be traveling to the Philippines soon, so I thought it's gonna be helpful because I will be using this as a carry-on, and most importantly, I wanted to put it underneath the seat. So far it fits well, depends on the plane you're into. If I want to stretch my legs, I just put my feet on here. It's comfy. So it's easy reach. So it's a backpack with wheels. And let's see. Wow. It's a nice quality. It has a pocket right here. It's really deep. Nothing on the side. Oh, but there's one on the other side. Oh, wow. So this is actually what you call like a hidden pocket. No one knows. I'll just zoom in. And there's another pocket here. Oh, so you can put your keys. And it's another one pocket here. Kind of like 3 ball pens here, and there's another one here. Wow. And another space right here. Wow, so 1 pocket, 2, 3, 4 for ball pens, 5. So 5, 6, 7 right here. So far we got 7 pockets. 8. You put your water bottle. And oh, wow. 9. You put your laptop. 10. 11. And the inside is waterproof. So far we got all 10 pockets. And in the inside, oh, there's also like this to secure your laptop. It says, oh, there's a symbol there. That's the laptop should be there. And the zipper, when you hold this thing, it's such a great quality. Yeah, I have one backpack before, not backpack, but just look like this, not a backpack, but it has wheels. It seems like it's in a low quality, but this one, it's just really nice. I like the gray. I think it less gets dirty compared to black and white, right? But the gray is the safest color. That's my opinion. So okay, so the back part, the exciting part, as we all know, having a backpack is so hard on your shoulder, right? Especially on traveling. And I thought like, oh, I get tired, so I will use the wheels. So this is the backpack. Let's see how it looks like. Padding, that's a padding. Oh. How does it look like? Oh my god. Adjust it the way you want it. Here's the wheels. Ooh. And the great part, if you use the wheels and you make it as a stroller, so you can hide the backpack. So we have, take this off real quick. Take it off. And it has a lock here. I will show you. It's easy to take it off. And take it off and we hide it. Boom! Let's hide it! Come on! Let's hide it. And hide it right there. And once you hide it, and now you can make it as a stroller. And you can also, so we'll get right here. Oh, so there's a zipper. So make sure it's always closed so that the water will not come in or when it's raining. So this is the moment of truth. Whoosh. Wow! Truth. I'll show you.
I'm so impressed on how it rolls. It's very smooth and very sturdy.
It smells good too because it's new. Who's weird? More long, I think. Oh no, that's it. And then you put it right here. And you can snap it like, whoop, and you make it shorter. Ah! So like that. So you put shorter. Just my height. So give for 11. So that's a great height for me. If you're tall, you can make it taller. And that's good. Push. And then we'll hide it. Let's make it backpack. Okay, I'm gonna make it a backpack. Make it fast. Boom. Make a backpack. Boom. So this is, and I have to adjust it. There. Let's see. It's my back. I have to put something inside so you can see how it looks like.
Check-in time, so I have to use it as a backpack so I can roll my child.
It's not bad. Even if you put it on your lap, you put your there. Oh yeah, you just pull this out. And you can close it. There you go. We figured it out. Yay! Oh, I'm gonna make it a stroller. No more backpack. I'll grab this. Push. Let's go. My laptop and I measured it. It's 14 and a half. So let's see.
I didn't bring my laptop. It's too heavy and I have to take it out every time they scan the bag.
I think longer than that will not fit. So 14 and a half to 15 I think will fit. So, and then I have to lock this one. There you go. Let's see just the laptop, how heavy it is. It's good. So, oh, not bad. Wow. Nice padding. I'm gonna be rolling this while I'm in the airport. But if while we're on our way to the plane, I will make it as a backpack. So I'm gonna put something in here. Extra clothes for me, extra clothes for my son. Some colors and activities for my son.
I put all my son's activities, colorings inside his own bag instead.
Oh, there's a zipper here too. This zipper is just like nothing. It's just like, this is the handle. But make sure just it's close. And it has a hole there. But make sure this zipper is closed so that the water will not go in, right? That's the important thing. That's in some of the reviews, they say why there's a hole there. And when it's raining, it's gonna get wet. But make sure just close this when you go outside raining.
To give you an idea, I put my toiletries here, neck pillow, footrest for my son, snacks, my son's wipes, and USB chargers.
Oh, that's cute. Does it balance? Yes, it's balancing. Doesn't fall.
So handy because we got to put our toddler on it. Make sure they're not too heavy so we won't break.
Yeah, it's not leaning forward. Because I have backpack before that leans forward.
In our travel, it never tipped.
What's great about this, not just for travel, but also for school. I remember I went to school one time, long time ago. I wanted to have a bag with wheels, and it has a wheels, but there's no backpack in it. How I wish I can turn back the time and I saw this. This is amazing for school. If you want to go up the stairs and you are in a rush to go to school and you don't want to go to the elevator, you want to go to the stairs, right? I have wheels. I have to drag it all the way up or bring this all the way up to the stairs. But this one is amazing because there's a backpack. There's an option. Oh, I want to go upstairs, and I have to make it a backpack and go upstairs. And then when I landed there on the second floor or whatever, I can just make it a stroller again. All the books that I was carrying was really heavy, so I need wheels to, to go around, transfer from room to room. As well as if you want to go to school or work or whatever, it is amazing. Or you want to go for travel, like a quick travel, and then you can just wanted to bring just one backpack and plus with wheels. It's amazing. I can feel the padding has a lot of support.
If you're using the backpack for a minute, it's fine. If it's a long time, it's quite heavy on my shoulders. For me anyway.
You have an option. Oh, it's too heavy already, so you can use the wheels.
You can also use this as a baby bag as well. There's so many pockets to put on, very organized. When you're tired using the backpack, you can use the wheels. To transition from backpack to rollers, I didn't get the time to zip it. I just inserted it.
I was trying to use my belt bag.
I recommended you guys to have your belt bag or cross bag on your shoulders. It's very helpful, easy reach for your passports and stuff.
Bring it. Oh, that one.
This is really handy. I get to carry and lift this up to the scanner.
This is a separate purchase as well, and it's the same as the style of this. So this is really cool. Look at that. You can put all your toiletries here.
This is a must-have. It's very spacious. It can fit all your toiletries.
So whenever you get out the airplane and do some retouch, brush your teeth or whatever you want to do, right? You have this. It's so cute. It has pocket here, and it also has a pocket right here too. One pocket there and two pockets, and it's gonna fit a lot of stuff there. You can put this garbage inside. It's very nice. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video, and I hope I showed you every angle of this bag and how very useful it is. It's like multi-purpose, like it's a backpack with wheels with lots of pockets and very nice quality. It doesn't fall down. Whoop. It stays standing up even there's a lot of things going on there. The laptop fits 14.5 to 15. It will fit. I think more than that, it might be too long, too tight, but anyway, I'm in love with it and I can't wait to use it when we travel. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment it down below. If you have this as well, let me know how it helped you, and I will link everything in the description box below. So anyway, guys, have a wonderful day and a blessed day. Always remember, there's something good in every day, even that little thing. there's something good in that day. So I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you soon. Bye! Thank you.